everyone, welcome back to my channel with me, Monique. If you are new to this channel, I upload videos weekly about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So for this video, I have a small unboxing from Louis Vuitton. These two pieces were purchased from the Louis Vuitton in Cape Town. If you haven't seen my Cape Town vlogs, I will leave the link down below so you could check them out. So every time I travel to a new country, I always love to check out the Louis Vuitton if they have. And I was excited to know that Cape Town has a Louis Vuitton store there. They also had Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana, and a few of other stores. But I think they had more luxury stores in Johannesburg. I believe they have Cartier there. It's in the Waterfront Mall, which is a beautiful, beautiful mall by the water. And when I passed it, there was no line. And I actually passed it a few times after. There was never any line, so that's always a great thing, especially during this time, because in Thailand there was always a line at the Louis Vuitton store. So I was excited that this one had no line. It's not very big, but it does have both men's and women's section. I'm a collector of Louis Vuitton SLGs, so whenever I go to a new Louis Vuitton store, I always try to ask if they have certain SLGs that I have on my list. And I'm happy to see that they have one. First, we're going to unbox this one just to let you know that this is not an SLG. Comes in this box. And dust bag. Can you guess what's inside? So I got the Cape Town guidebook. So I always try to get the Louis Vuitton city guide of the cities that I'm visiting, but not all the time they would have it. Like in Bangkok, they were sold out. So I was happy to find that they have one for Cape Town. I haven't actually opened it, so let's open it together. Basically, it has a list of all the local shops and local things to do. So I'm excited to read this. I know I should have read it during my trip, but I do have my own itinerary when I was there, and I did an extensive research before I visit Cape Town. I always try to do that every time I visit a new place, but it's exciting to read this and see if the places that I visited are on the list here. So that is the first item. Now the second one comes in a smaller bag. This one I'm excited about because I've been looking for this. I've asked about this in all the Louis Vuitton shops that I've visited. Here's the receipt. And here's the box. Can you guess what's inside? I could tell you that this is an SLG. And you could see from the size that it's a very small one. So, and voila. To reveal a very, very tiny SLG. I asked for different things when I was there, but they didn't have any of those. I asked for a passport cover, they didn't have that. I asked for a toiletry pouch, they didn't have any. So, and then I asked for this, and they had several actually. And it is, of course, the key pouch. And this one is in Damier Ebene. I think this is my first Damier Ebene piece ever. They did have the monogram, but I was comparing between the monogram and the Ebene. I think I really, really like the Ebene more in terms of the key pouch, because I think it looks adorable, and you know, the one in monogram, it's just the key pouch is just so small that you have only one LV in the middle, And I think it's just like, I mean, it's still cute, it's adorable. I bought it in the past, and I bought it as a gift for my sister. I think it's really adorable, but when I saw this, I just couldn't pass it up. I think like the squares look so adorable in this such a small size. I'm so happy that I found one. I've been really bummed that I didn't get to when I was in Paris, but I'm happy to get this from Cape Town, although the price now is just too insane in my opinion. For a key pouch, it's just too insane. This one is, I think, around 5,050 Rand, which is around $350. And I think when I bought it in Paris like 2-3 years ago, it was like $200 or a little bit less than $200. It is insane that it is now $350 for such a small SLG, but I've been wanting to get it to complete my collection. I'm going to use that as a key pouch, but I think this is also really useful if you need like a card wallet. It does fit like your credit cards. You can use it for your AirPods or your earphones, a catch-all for your hair tie or bobby pin, so you can also put that in there. If you need a little catch-all for your medicine. And I'm so excited that this is my first Damier Ebene piece. I think it's so adorable. That's my quick unboxing for today. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about Louis Vuitton SLG prices these days. It's been going up and up, you know, each year, and it has now, I think, personally, I think it's just too crazy for canvas pieces, but I do appreciate that they last forever. I just wish that they would stop increasing the prices like crazy, like, you know, like the mini pochette is now $800 or something crazy like that. So please let me know in the comment section down below what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.